Want to know how to screen record on Mac? Whether you're making tutorials, capturing gameplay, or recording meetings, today I'll show you 3 easy ways to do it. Method 1. AnyMP4 Screen Recorder for Mac. First up, a powerful third-party tool, AnyMP4 Screen Recorder for Mac. If you need high-quality recordings, simultaneously capturing internal system audio and microphone sound, and even picture-in-picture effects, then this is your go-to. It truly solves the question of how to record video on Mac with audio. Step 1. Open AnyMP4 Screen Recorder on your Mac. Select Video Recorder. Step 2. You can choose full screen or custom region. Crucial! Here, you can easily enable system sound and microphone, and even add your webcam for picture-in-picture. Step 3. After setup, hit Rec, and recording starts after a countdown. Once done, it even offers basic trimming, which is super convenient. Method 2. QuickTime Player and Screenshot Toolbar. Next, let's look at Mac's built-in, free screen recording powerhouse, QuickTime Player. It's not just a player, it's a robust macOS screen recorder free solution. Step 1. Open QuickTime Player, then in the menu bar, select File New Screen Recording. Step 2. A screenshot toolbar will appear at the bottom of your screen. You can choose to record the entire screen or drag to select a specific area. Step 3. Key setting. Click Options. Here you can select your microphone, set the save location, and even set a timer. Step 4. Click Record, and when done, click the Stop button in the menu bar. Method 3. iMovie Record and Import for Editing. Alright, we've learned how to record screen on Mac, but what if you need to edit your recording afterward? That's where Mac's free iMovie comes in. While iMovie isn't a direct screen recorder, it's your perfect companion for editing your screen recordings. Step 1. First, open iMovie. Locate and click the Import Media button in the toolbar. Step 2. In the Cameras section on the left sidebar of the import window, select your built-in camera, which is the FaceTime HD camera. Step 3. Once the live preview appears, use the Import to menu at the top to choose whether to save it to an existing event, create a new event, or save it directly to your current project media. Step 4. When you are ready, click the red Record button to start capturing your video. The green light next to your Mac's camera will turn on. Step 5. When you are done, click the Record button again to stop. Then click Close, and your new video clip will appear in your iMovie project media. Extra tips: how to record video on Mac. By now, I'm sure you've mastered various methods for how to screen record on Mac. If you need system audio, picture-in-picture, and advanced features, AnyMP4 Screen Recorder is your top pick. For free, quick, and basic recording, QuickTime Player and the Screenshot Toolbar are your best friends. And iMovie will be a good option to record your camera. So, no matter your needs, you now know how to record screen on Mac. I hope today's video helped you easily master Mac screen recording. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more helpful tutorials, and I'll see you next time.